Now, everywhere I've looked, for some reason, this little extension, it isn't sold separately for whatever stupid reason. Plus, this hose is also rotted. And you have to buy this whole breather, and this breather is a piece of crap anyway. I always hated when they came out with this design. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this little splice thing in here, and then slip a piece of shrink tubing over it.
Go.
So we slip this over, cut it a little bit longer because the shrink tubing, you know, it's not just shrinking this way, it's also shrinking this way. I always thought you could adjust the flame on the lighters, but apparently not.
I've never had a modern disposable that can.
Is it an old feature?
Must have been. I know on the wick type you can, but these don't use a wick that I'm aware of.
When was the last time you seen one with a wick?
I have like 3.
Yeah. Alright, now we have one piece instead of 3 pieces. And it's holding it all together, so good enough for me.
Good video.
Mm-hmm.